Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the Evolved Enchant Stone in the new Phase 8 update. In this update there's a brand new enchant stone called Evolved Enchant. It looks like this. Like this one. Like this. It used to unlock 8 new advanced enchantments like this. It has Fairy Hunter 1, Mutation Hunter 3, Reeler 2, Stargazer 2, Storm Hunter 2, Shark Hunter, and even it has Secret Hunter. And to get this stone, you need to go to Ancient Ruin. First, just head to the Sacred Temple. Over here. Just enter the Sacred Temple. And then next, just go to the lift like this, and then just tap on teleport. And then next, just go to Ancient Ruin through this way. Like this, and before you can enter, make sure you have unlocked Ancient Ruin by collecting this 4 specific fish: crocodile, Kolia tiger, and then freshwater piranha and sacred guardian squid, like this. And once you have them, the door will open automatically, and now all you need to do is fish in this area, and then you will have a chance to get the Evolved Enchant Stone. Like this. Like this. This one. And okay, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.